humans, y'all look good. Look, yesterday I found myself lucky to receive a small package that was hand delivered to me. Yep, this little box here was hand delivered to me, and it got me doing some thinking. It turns out that according to a website, which is linked in the description below, the world population currently stands at 7.9 billion. And it occurred to me that although the massive interconnectivities of that we've experienced in recent decades by default of technology, social networks, or platforms like this, like where we are here right now, the reality remains that it's highly unlikely that we are going to find ourselves interacting in any social, live social manner with the great majority of the other humans that we share the planet with. However, that's when things get interesting. Because be that as it may, the universe every once in a while decides to just shove an interesting human in your life. The Lord knows this. I know this. Miss Guantwa knows this, to name a few. And that's just a fact. That's just a fact. Those are facts. And I found myself having interacted with this human, and it's interesting because the first interaction I had with this particular individual that just so happened to just got dropped in my life was an argument. It was not a pleasant conversation or interaction of any sort. It was just like, you crazy, and I was also being informed that ambot nimo, you crazy, and bahalaka. And I was like, yeah, tell me something I don't know. You telling me I'm crazy? I know. But you know what? It's only after the fact. Actually after the fact, we end up talking about it. We end up talking about, yeah, you know what? Our first conversation was an argument. It wasn't a conversation. It was an argument. And it all happened over the phone, and it was in the middle of the night or whatever, and so on. But it was equally respectable, understanding, and there was mutual respect, I'd like to say, and both of what we were trying to exchange. And it was obvious that I wasn't the crazy one. But anyway, so long story short, the fact that I'm here, right now, and actually doing this on this platform has a lot to do with this individual. And it turns out that it was the last straw of motivation that I needed in order to go ahead and be like, okay, let's do this. And you know what? This is what I mean. This is an act of the universe in its own right. Because I'm not a social media kind of person. I don't do posting. This is unusual. This is, not common. So this person simply just turned out to be, by default of profession, turns out to be very well versed in the art of content creation, editing, as well as communication. Yeah. So we had a whole conversation about my thoughts, about how my machines were getting all filled up, and I didn't have any more space in my external hard drives to put them, and I don't want to keep buying external hard drives. And I was thinking about, well, I have all these memories and all these images and videos and things that have accumulated over the years, and sometimes I want to share them with parties involved, and I can't because they're like really large files. They're like 30-minute videos and stuff, or of an event, of a party, of a shoot, of something that was done professionally, and I just haven't. And again, like I said, I'm not posting, so many people have never seen these things. And they're worth sharing. You know, they might inspire somebody somewhere out there, which would make it worthy of sharing. So at the point of sharing this individual was like, well, YouTube, you know, like there are other ways you could do so. You could be in charge of whether it's, you know, personal or public, whatever. So there comes a little encouragement, and so we had a few conversations about that, and I also was able to experience this individual's own work live, and so on. So I give it some thought. But you see, this is when it actually gets a bit more interesting, because a lot of times, like you interact with humans who tell you things and then wish you good luck. This particular human actually went above and perhaps even a little bit beyond in terms of encouraging my thoughts to action. And this is what's in this box is an act of encouragement that I received from this particular human. And I feel so lucky and thankful and honored to have been on the receiving end of this really neat, cool gesture. And so, without further ado, let's figure out what's in this box so you get it. What we got here? So backwards, it's like condenser microphone professional. It is a Senda condenser microphone. The brand is Senda, and this was a response to me talking about, well, a lot of my stories were, a lot of the footage or the contents that I have are in my hard drives are photos. And then came the suggestion for VO, like doing voice over photos or even over videos. And I'm not really out, you know, I'm familiar with VO, but with voiceover, but not familiar with it in terms of practicality, or I haven't done much of it myself, other than like on a mobile phone. And so this is my encouragement to actually change, you know, to actually go do some VO. So now I have no excuse, you know. Imagine like being around humans who challenge you when you begin to like find excuses not to do something that you might have wanted to do for a long time. Now that's what I call an act of the universe, because I didn't see it coming. So much transpired that, you know, couldn't have imagined. But anyhow, so what I've received here is a box full of little parts, and I want to put this bad boy together. Oh my gosh, I got like, I don't know, I got this part, that part. Looks like there is there's an input and output portion here. Ooh, we got some legs, tripod. Okay. We got a mic neck. Mic neck. Yep, definitely. And of course, the microphone itself. The microphone itself. Lord have mercy. Oh. Sure. Yeah, that's it. And what's left is some instruction. Dual language, English and looks like Mandarin. So, this is it. Do you smell? What the? You know the rest. Oh Lord, yeah, man. So, I mean, I'm so speechless. I'm so speechless for, you know. Look, if ever you happen to be, if ever you look at your life and you realize that the humans around you are not contributing to your life, or you're not contributing to theirs, chances are you could probably use some better quality humans in your life. I don't know. Look, my point is, of the nearly 8 billion humans on the planet, I am grateful, thankful, and consider myself lucky that the universe sent you my way. And I want to be clear that I acknowledge that how you have pushed me to get up to this point, to join this platform, to share the things that I have experienced along the journey of life so far. And I credit you for having gone above and beyond and guiding my hands through interacting with the softwares and so on. So without further ado, let me actually, I'm almost done. I'm multitasking, and I'm actually putting together this little mic because I'm gonna use it, and this is almost done. Look at this little mic. It's so cute, so cute. Let's add some legs here. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, very easy, very simple. And you know what? I'm gonna take this bad boy, and I'm going to use it in my next, most likely in our next video. I'm gonna try to do like some videos, some voiceovers, and something that I've always wanted to do. So thank you so much. Thank you for the push. Thank you for having inspired me. Thank you for your involvement in this whole process. I appreciate your little gift. And again, I can't stress it enough. I'm grateful to be the human who has been on the receiving end of this. So I hope that I can reciprocate. All right. I hope I'll have some opportunities to reciprocate and contribute to your kinabuhi equally. And I want to conclude here by being a little bit more specific, that I am indeed referring to a human whom is literally known as carry-on. And it is on that note that I myself am going to carry on. Cheers.